Hello guys, welcome back. Alright, so in this video now we want to learn the areas of measurement, right? So these areas I wrote down on the board are the areas you must measure when taking an appropriate male measurement, and I will also show you guys how to measure, how to read the take the readings of all of these areas on the body of the client. So before we go to that measurement section, it's advisable that you know where to measure, because if you don't know where to measure, how are you going to measure a client or a customer or a friend or a sibling, right? So, however, let us now learn it. Now, for the top, we have 6 basic areas you must measure for you to have an appropriate fitting on your client. Any parts you miss, we tell on the fitting. So, carefully follow the steps I will apply now, and please note the arrangements, how it was arranged on the board. This is how you must also do yours for you to have an effective outcome of all of these things. Now, the first step, the first area we have to consider is the chest, which I will show you in measurement. Now, the next is the shoulder, the next is sleeve length, the next is front sleeves, the next is neck, and the last is top length. So we have it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas of measurement. Now, for the trouser, we have the waist, we have the hip, the lap, the knee, the ankle, and the trouser length. Now, let me throw more light on this chest, this shoulder and sleeve length. Please note that whenever you are taking the measurement of a sleeve, once you stop measuring the shoulder, where you stop is where you must start to measure your sleeve. Please don't jump protocols, which I will show you guys in the measurement video, right? So, having said that, now the next thing as well I need to throw more light is on the round sleeves. Now, in round sleeves, because of the nature of the fact that we have 3 types of sleeve now, that the short sleeve, the 3/4 sleeve, and the long sleeve. So, if you are making short sleeve, you only have one value for your round sleeve. But if you are making a 3/4 sleeve, you will have 3 measurements on the round sleeve. You will have the muscle area, that's the biceps, the elbow, and wherever the sleeve is stopping. Then if you're making a long sleeve, you also have the bicep, the elbow, and where the sleeve as well is stopping. So, which I will show you guys in the measurement video. Now, for the trouser, it's just as simple as that. The waist, the hip, lap, knee, ankle, and the trouser length. So, also to throw more light on this, to make it look easier for us. Now, these areas that we have measured, you also need to know that you have to divide them by certain numbers. So I will label the numbers on the board for you to know where to divide by the number, right? So now, for the chest, any answer you get for the chest is over 4, right? Shoulder is by 2. Sleeve length, no division, constant. Front sleeve is by 2, right? Then the neck is by 6. Then top length, no division. For the waist, is by 4. Hip is by 4. Lap is by 2. Knee is by 2. Ankle is by 2. Shoulder length, no division. So what this simply means that any value you will get on the chest, you have to divide by 4. Shoulder by 2. Front sleeve by 2. Neck by 6. Top length, no division. So you have to master all of these things. For the waist by 4, hip by 4, lap by 2, knee by 2, ankle by 2, and then length of trouser, there is no division. So all of these things I have just said now are what you must master before you get to the level of cutting proper. So before this, I will make a video on measurement, and after that measurement video, I will now create a video on the components of a simple senator outfit. So for us to know, some of us might not be aware of these components. I want to show you guys a video on the components and possibly bring a cloth to illustrate to you the components, what they look like, and then before we proceed to the drafting stage proper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like on the video, give me a thumbs up, and drop your comments and tell me where you are watching from. Thank you guys for following me on Facebook. Let us get my Facebook channel, my Facebook page to 100k followers, and my channel to 100k followers as well. That's my target for this year 2024. Thank you for watching. I'll be bringing you more videos on how to make clothing free of charge. Bye-bye for now.